guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to create content for Instagram using Canva. Whether you need it for your business or yourself or your clients, it's actually pretty easy to do with Canva. So the first thing, of course, you need to create a Canva account, canva.com, and if you already have one, that's great. And of course, it's enough to have a free account. You don't need a Canva Pro. Of course, it's better because they have many different fonts, graphics, illustrations with a Pro version, and you can resize the file, but it's enough to have a free version, and I will use a free version today. So the first thing, when you go to Canva, you need to click right here and create a design. And if you need an Instagram post, you can see it right here. If you won't see it, you just write down Instagram and you will see a portrait, square. So of course, for Instagram post, you will need a square version. And if you want to create a story, you will choose this one. It's a little bit bigger. But of course, you can click right here and create a custom size. But I'll just click on this one, Instagram post, and we will start creating Instagram post for you. So the first thing, you can always choose from the templates right here on design and templates and search for something, or they all already showing you suitable for this type, for this size. So let's click on, I don't know, this one, and then you can always edit it, write down what you want, and you can delete this picture and upload your own one, or you can always search right here for something, and they will have a photos right here. So that's that. But of course, we can create a new post by ourselves. So the first thing, let's create some type of design, and let's search for geometric shapes. You click right here on the graphics, and you cannot use with the free version these pro elements. So we can see these are quite cool, but let's use maybe this one. We're gonna flip it and put it right here. Now I'm gonna flip it and put it right here. Now I'm gonna search for shadow. Let's go to graphics and let's try to find a free version. So that's this one. And now we need some type of we need to incorporate some type of photo. So you're gonna go to the frames and you're gonna choose this one. For example, this is just an example. So here it is, and it creates a beautiful shadow. Now we need to add text, so you go here on text, add a heading, and now you just write down what you want. And the first thing, I want to change the line spacing because it's a really big space right here. So let's make it smaller, and maybe let's change alignment to this one, something like that. So that's that. Now we need to add some text, so add a subheading, or just copy paste this one and make it smaller. So you're gonna write down your text here. And that's that. If you want to add your website, I would suggest you to do it on the bottom, right in the middle, or like this one. And of course, I would suggest make it smaller and make a bigger letter spacing. It looks really cool, and many people are doing it. So that's that. Of course, you can always add a logo, but I can see it won't fit here. So let's make a more space. And let's search in the elements like some type of logo in the graphics, and let's click on this one, and you're gonna just add your logo right here or something like that. So basically, guys, that's how you create an Instagram post using Canva. But the first of all, if you want to add some kind of pattern, you can always search right here. But on the free version here, they don't have much, and sometimes a lot of people are using the pro version ones. So I would suggest you to go to creativefabrica.com and create an account. It's like $19 per month, but you can find a lot of beautiful fonts here. As you can see, you won't find this on Canva, so you can go on Creative Fabrica and find some fonts you like. Just download them, and you're gonna upload them to Canva. I'm gonna show you how. You can find here a lot of illustrations, a lot of graphics, as you can see, and you can use them all in your Instagram content. So the first thing, of course, you're gonna go to fonts, and you can see right here at the bottom, if you have a pro version, you can upload a font. So if you don't have a pro account, you cannot upload a font, but you can always, of course, use graphics from, for example, Creative Fabrica. I'm gonna leave the link in the description below for you to check it out. So that's basically it, guys. That's how you create content for your Instagram. You can always use the templates already created here, but the free version ones are not really cool. Well, sometimes, but you can, of course, it's always better to create it yourself. So that's it, guys. If you like this video, please like this video, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.